Email newsletters continue to be one of the most effective ways to connect with audiences in 2024. Whether you're an independent creator, a small business, or a large organization, choosing the right platform can significantly impact your newsletter success. In this video, we compare four of the leading newsletter platforms, which is Beehive, Substack, ConvertKit, and Mailchimp. Each has unique features tailored to different audiences, so we'll explore their strengths and benefits to help you decide which is best for your needs. So, first, let's talk about Beehive. So, Beehive is a relatively new platform designed specifically for newsletter creators. It combines user friendly tools with advanced analytics, making it a favorite among creators looking to grow and monetize their newsletters. Beehive's clean design and focus on analytics set it apart as an all in one solution for newsletter creators. For its key features, first is the advanced analytics. Beehive provides detailed subscriber metrics, including open rates, engagement, and reader preference. This helps creators understand their audience better and improve content strategy. Another key feature is the audience growth tools. So it includes referral programs and optimized landing pages to grow your subscriber base organically. This streamlines subscriber acquisition, especially for those looking to scale quickly. Next, let's talk about Substack. So, Substack has gained popularity for its simplicity and creator first approach. It allows writers and creators to monetize their newsletters with paid subscriptions and offers an intuitive platform for building an engaged audience. Substack's emphasis on empowering creators makes it a go to for writers looking to earn directly from their content. For its key features, first is the monetization options. So it enables creators to charge for premium newsletters or offer tiered subscription models. This provides an easy path to revenue generation without needing technical expertise. Another key feature is the built in community features. Subscribers can comment, like, and engage with creators directly on Substack, fostering a sense of community. This enhances engagement and keeps readers connected with content. Next, let's talk about ConvertKit. So, ConvertKit is designed for creators and small businesses who need advanced automation and customization features. It's an excellent platform for integrating email marketing into broader sales funnels. ConvertKit's automation and segmentation tools make it ideal for creators looking to nurture leads and scale their email marketing efforts. For its key features, first is the customizable funnels. Users can create automated email sequences based on subscriber behavior. This saves time while delivering personalized content to different audience segments. Another key feature is the tagging and segmentation. This allows creators to categorize subscribers based on actions, interests, and demographics. This improves targeting and ensures more relevant communication. Next is Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a long standing leader in email marketing, offering powerful tools for businesses of all sizes. Known for its versatility, Mailchimp integrates well with various marketing channels and provides robust analytics. Its scalability and integration capabilities make Mailchimp suitable for businesses that require a comprehensive email marketing solution. For its key features, first is the multi channel integration. So it connects with platforms like social media, e commerce, and CRMs to unify marketing efforts. This provides a seamless experience for managing campaigns across multiple channels. Another key feature is the AI powered insights. So it offers predictive analytics and AI driven recommendations for optimizing campaigns. This helps users make data driven decisions to enhance performance. So, why are these the best platforms in 2024? So, each platform excels in a specific area, making them the top choices for newsletter creation in 2024. Beehive focuses on analytics and growth, ideal for data driven creators. Substack empowers individual writers and small teams with monetization and community features. ConvertKit is perfect for creators, integrating email into their sales funnels, and Mailchimp serves as a comprehensive tool for businesses requiring multi channel marketing capabilities. So, whether you're an independent writer or a growing company, these tools provide the flexibility and power to achieve your goals. So, selecting the right newsletter platform depends on your specific needs. For writers aiming to monetize their content, Substack is an excellent choice. If growth and analytics are priorities, Beehive is your go to platform. For creators looking to nurture leads through email funnels, ConvertKit shines, while MailChimp is perfect for businesses seeking a versatile, scalable solution. So, as digital communication continues to evolve, these platforms equip users with the tools to succeed in the competitive world of email marketing. By choosing a platform that aligns with your goals, you can build meaningful connections with your audience and drive long term engagement in 2024 and beyond. So, if you need more information about these platforms, you can always visit their websites. And from there, you can see a bunch of different features that I haven't mentioned and compare plans for your subscription balances. So, that's basically it for this video. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.